Chef Buck here, and today Mama Redbuck is going to cook up. Here, why are you looking so sad? That's better. You're going to cook up this picture perfect, absolutely gorgeous lemon meringue pie. Is that the greatest meringue ever?
I hope so.
Okay, so for a lemon meringue pie, you want to start with your pie crust. And this is one that was frozen. And she went ahead and poked a bunch of holes in it and baked it, because you want to have a crust that's already kind of pre-baked and ready. So what's the first thing you do after you get your crust ready?
You're going to take a cup of sugar, just white granulated sugar.
And now you're getting a little bit of cornstarch.
You need a half a cup of cornstarch. We're going to add it to the sugar.
Fourth a teaspoon of kosher salt.
I got 2 lemons. I just do the whole complete lemons, both of them. Sometimes it takes a little more, but usually it's about 2.
You make the best lemon pie, and it's so lemony.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to add this to our sugar and our cornstarch. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll go ahead and get that out and have that ready. Got 4 eggs, which we are going to separate.
Alright, so you're going to separate the whites and the yolks.
Yes.
Alright, I think I seen them do this on TV. You're doing a good job, Mimo.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and take the camera off you and take the pressure off. Alright.
Animal handler!
That's right. You got to keep Louie occupied so that he thinks he's the center of the action. Oh, you're still working on the second one?
No, I'm on the 3rd one.
I was about to say, don't take your sweet time. You know, this camera runs on a battery. This ain't the old-timey crank camera that you're used to.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes you have to work with what you got.
So now you got 4 egg whites and 4 egg yolks. So now you're going to beat your egg up.
I'm going to go ahead and stir him. And we're going to set him aside. And we're going to go ahead and prepare our lemons.
So now you're going to take your lemons that you've zested and you're going to juice them.
Yes.
Now it looks like some kind of medieval torture device.
It could be, if you use it right. You use fresh lemons and it's better than the lemon juice in the... You can use the lemon juice in the jar. You know, the little bottle of lemon juice that you buy at the store.
So now you've juiced 1 lemon, so you're going to want to have a half a cup.
Yeah, we're going to need a half a cup.
So that's a lot of lemon juice.
I put that little strainer there because, you know, you want to catch all those seeds.
Yeah, you don't want to go to the dentist over a slice of lemon pie.
I hope not.
That keeps your hands nice and strong in case you need to choke somebody.
Yeah, that's true. I haven't choked any lately.
But what you want to end up with is a half a cup of fresh lemon juice.
Yes.
And now what you going to do, Mom?
Now I'm just going to mix this up good.
Alrighty, so this is your lemon zest.
That's
and your cornstarch and your sugar.
And my salt. Now I'm going to add 2 1/4 cups of just plain cold water. And I'm just going to gradually stir this in. You want to mix it up good. You know, it's going to start sticking at the bottom, so we're going to continuously stir this until it comes to a boil.
And you've turned your stove on?
Yes, you put it on like about medium. You don't want to turn it up and you don't want to put it on low. This is the worst part, is just having to stand here and keep stirring continuously. But you need to do that because it sticks very easily at the bottom of the pan.
And this is going to take you almost a lifetime.
It's going to take about 20, maybe 20 minutes, something like that. Yes.
This is the best lemon pie you will ever have. But you're going to have to stand here and stir for 20 minutes.
Maybe a few minutes longer, maybe a few minutes less.
Alrighty. Well, I'm going to go lay down for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Alright.
Go ahead.
See you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You tired, Mom?
No, I'm all right.
So you've been going for about 19 minutes.
Yeah, about 20 minutes. It's about, yes, and it's ready. Cornstarch really thickens it up.
How do you know that it's ready?
Because it's starting to bubble. You want to...
So you haven't changed the heat. It's still on medium.
It's still on. Okay, I'm going to let you help me here.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Let's get the eggs.
Okay, so this is why you want to have all this stuff ready beforehand.
That's why I want to have it ready.
Alright, so you're going to add this to your egg yolks?
Yes, I'm going to add a little bit, and you're going to...
But we want to be careful because you don't want to scramble your eggs.
Go ahead and whisk it.
So you're just putting a little bit in there.
Just a little bit in there, enough to
acclimate it without scrambling your eggs.
Yes, because if you scramble your eggs, you're going to have bits and pieces of eggs in your pie.
And that's it?
That's it. Now we're going to add this back into our lemon. Now we're going to put it back on the stove. We're going to let it heat back up again to another boil.
And you still got it on the medium heat.
I haven't changed the heat.
I don't think this camera is doing justice to exactly how yellow that is. That looks like Big Bird.
Okay, we're going to remove it from the heat, and we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to add also half a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to keep stirring it until the butter has all melted.
Making this fresh lemon pie is quite an upper body workout, isn't it? Is that how you got these big old muscles?
No, I think they're gone. I think the muscle days are over. Now, we're going to pour it into the pie crust.
That's why you want to have all this stuff ready. You want to have your crust ready. You want to have your lemon juice ready. You want to have everything going, because once you start stirring, you don't stop.
You don't want to have to set it aside and go off and then get all that stuff ready.
Alrighty, so you got every drip drop in there, and it filled up this 9-inch pie crust.
It's a deep dish.
So the bottom of your pie is all set. Now we just got to make the meringue.
But we're going to make a little something to add to the meringue to keep it from sweating and being all wet and make your pie crust wet on the bottom.
So you got a little saucepan, and you're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar.
And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay.
Okay, so you got this on the burner and you got it on medium heat?
Yes. We're going to add a half a cup of water. It'll only be a couple of minutes, and right now it's white. It's kind of milky looking, but when it starts to turn clear, well, then we'll take it off. We're going to let it cool. See?
Yeah, it's definitely not as milky as it was. I wouldn't say that was clear, though.
Well, it's kind of, look, see, it's kind of clear.
I don't know if my car windows look like that. I'd have to clean them.
Well, in the meantime, we'll go ahead and prepare our meringue.
All right, so you're going to set that in a little water?
Just the pan for just a minute. Okay, in the meantime, let's go ahead and prepare 4 egg whites in here. We're going to go ahead and fix them like frothy. Okay, now I'm going to put just a smidget of salt in it. And also we're going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to...
Okay, now you're going to add some sugar.
I'm going to add, but I'm only going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar because I've already added 2 tablespoons of sugar to my cornstarch mixture.
Alrighty.
So we're going to add a tablespoon at a time and mix it up. Okay, that was 1. You don't want to dump the whole thing in there. You want to incorporate it.
Okay.
Only a tablespoon at a time. Now you're starting to see a few little soft peaks.
So now your paste that you've had sitting over here in the water, you're going to add it to your meringue?
I'm going to add it to my meringue.
This is your super secret meringue ingredient?
Yes. And just add it.
This looks like something from the Alien movie.
So, yeah.
So now you're going to give it another whisk. Now how do you know when it's all ready?
By the feel of it. See, they're not really standing yet.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're about ready here. See
Alrighty,
it?
you got some nice peaks there.
Yep. Get this off. And let's grab a spatula here.
That looks like an awful lot of meringue.
Yep, he's going to be very high.
How long you been making this lemon pie?
Quite a few years.
Yeah, look at that. Holy cow, that looks like an impossible amount of meringue. Putting that whole big old bowl in there.
Yeah, the whole thing.
And you make some picture perfect pies.
I don't know about that, but
We'll see. We'll see when it's all over. What are you trying to do when you put your meringue on here?
Well, I want to make sure he's covered good all over. You want to try to fix it, you know, we're trying to even. I mean, you don't want one 3 miles high and the other one with nothing, you know, the sides.
Yeah. So now you're giving it a little chop on top, getting some peaks up.
Yep, and the oven's preheated and ready, and we're going to put him in for like 10 minutes, and we can always put him in for another minute or 2 if necessary. We're going to leave him on the pan to stick him in the oven to bake.
You're gonna slide it right in the middle.
Fix the timer and see
Alrighty.
how it turns out.
12 seconds left and you're giving it a look.
Let's go ahead and add a couple more minutes to him. Let him get a little browner here.
Alright. You're gonna turn him around.
Yeah.
Let him go 2 more minutes.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Alrighty, so you let it go an extra minute. So this has been 13 minutes altogether?
Yeah, but you can, time will vary, whichever, you know, if you want it a little darker, a little lighter.
Man, that is just a mountain of meringue on there.
Well, I hope it's good when we cut it.
We'll see. Well, how long does it have to sit before
Well,
we
you
can
want
cut
to
it?
let it get cold. You don't want to cut it while it's hot.
No, definitely
You
not.
always want to let it get good and cool.
So what do you think, 5 minutes?
No, I think it's going to be a few hours.
So it is the next day. So it's been sitting in the fridge overnight. When you store it, you want to make sure and have some kind of dome or something, because you don't want to put plastic wrap over here or to pull that meringue right off. So look at that. Even though it's been sitting around for more than 24 hours, it still looks fantastico. So let's slice a piece of this here. The first slice
Yeah, it's hard to
is
get
never
out.
the prettiest slice. I'm going to try to do this good. We'll see what happens. Oh, I feel pretty confident.
Oh, yes. That's a good
that.
diner. Oh,
Yeah, I didn't mess it up too bad, huh?
no.
Look how well that pie holds together.
Look how high it is.
Yeah, and even though it's been sitting around for a long time, look at that. See, there's no big pool of water in there like you get on some pies. You know how if a pie sits around, it gets a little pool of water down there, and it's like it's almost at a water park? But I love this pie.
It's really good.
She sounds surprised. You're the pie whisperer. Of course it's great.
It's not too sweet, but it's sweet enough. But I enjoyed it.
Look at-
Why don't you go ahead, camera girl, and have a piece?
See, unlike Buck, who would let me starve, the pie whisperer is saying I can eat. Yay!
Okay.
It's good.
It's super duper fantastico. But if you want to print this recipe, go to myfoodchannel.com, print all our recipes there, sign up for our mailing list. And we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the future, and I'm going to see if I can get Mama to make a few more recipes while we're down here in Florida. But that's it. Bye-bye. I think it's better today, Meemaw, than it was yesterday.